the bronze. So coming up, men's 800 meters final. Ikram Abdullah from Maldives, Netsara Dinet from Sri Lanka, Vinod Kumar in bib number 170 from India, Shavindu Avishka from Sri Lanka in bib number 249, Bopanna Klappa in bib number 168 from India, Shahid Mohammad in bib number 220 from Pakistan. The last athlete in the 800 meters men, Aslam Sikdar from Bangladesh. We are going to watch men's 800 meters finals.
Hold on, Basa. Basa? Is he coming?
Mr. Call එකක් දුන්නද?
In men's 800 meters finals, we have the athletes from Maldives, Sri Lanka, 2 athletes from Sri Lanka, 2 athletes from India, and Pakistan and Bangladesh, each athletes. In SAF junior record, we have Verma clocking at 1.52.99 seconds, the record holder at Colombo. This is the chance, this is the time for all the athletes to prove themselves. The opportunity given at the biggest platform. This is the greatest exposure for all the athletes to prove their skills and talent. In lane 2, Ikram Abdullah occupies, the athlete from Maldives in bib number 194. And in lane 3, Dinet Lianag from Sri Lanka. In lane 4, Vinod Kumar from India. In lane 5, Shivindu Avishka from Sri Lanka. In lane 6, Bopanna Klappa from India. Shahid Mohammad from Pakistan in lane 7. And Aslam Sikdar in lane 8 from Bangladesh. A total of 7 athletes in the track for men's 800 meters final. Have a look on Dinet in lane 3 the boy from Sri Lanka. In 2024 National Youth Championships, he is a silver medalist. The Sri Lankan in lane 3. Maybe a tough competitor for all these athletes. A total of 7 athletes participating in men's 800 meters. And also Shivindu Avishka in bib number 249. One more brilliant athlete in lane 5. He is also from Sri Lanka. He is a national youth champion in 2024 from Sri Lanka. And Bopanna Klappa from India. He is the finalist in Asian Under 18 Championships, which held at Kuwait in 2022. Clocking a timing of 1 minute 50.90 is his personal best in 2023. And the season's best is 1 minute 51.40 for Bopanna. Vinod Kumar Banot from India. He is the Khelo India Youth Games winner. The recently held championship in Chennai. His personal best is 1 minute 51.61 seconds. And season's best is 1 minute 51.61. And followed by Shavindu Avishka, the boy from Sri Lanka, the national youth champion. He had his personal best at 1 minute 54.48 and season's best at 1 minute 54.48. And Nethara Dineth had his personal best at 1 minute 55.88 seconds. The national youth silver medalist of Sri Lanka. All the boys were on toes for the men's 800 meters finals. All set. Here we go. From the outside lane, lane number 8, Aslam Sikdar from Bangladesh taking the lead. For the first bend at the home back straight, we have seen the Indian taking the lead as of now in bib number 170, Vinod Kumar. And followed by Bopanna Klappa, the athlete from India. Both Indians in up front, holding the lead at the home straight. In the first lap, the lead continues with the two Indians. One more lap to finish in this 800 meters of the standard 400 meters track. One lap finished, taking the lead by the Indian. Once again at the back straight, Vinod Kumar taking the lead from India. This could not be enough for him. He should pull himself. Shavindu Avishka from Sri Lanka follows him. At any point of time, he can dominate. Vinod Kumar pulling himself, keeping up front. Yes, yes. Shavindu Avishka trying to dominate. Here takes the lead. Yes, at the finish. Oh my goodness. What a difference it was for Shavindu. Made his day. Completed classically. Avishka remembers what a memory it was to take a gold medal. Very close finish between Shavindu Avishka and Vinod Kumar of India. In the first lap, we have seen Vinod taking the lead. Very balanced, very controlled, with the long strides, keeping himself up front. In the first lap, the domination continued by Vinod, but still there is a tough competition by the Sri Lankan Shavindu Avishka emerged as a gold medalist in this 800 meters final. And the silver and bronze goes to the Indians. Vinod